Let's get this started. Hello guys, how are you? So my name is Snow with Avalanche Capital. Um, we're starting a new series here. I'm just gonna call this Market Outlook or something. I'll figure out a name. I'll put it on the video. You see it. But basically, what we are going to be doing is every week. I think on Sunday or on Monday, um, I'll be posting these videos. This is basically market outlook. Well, what I mean by that, every Sunday or Monday, I'm still picking on a day. Um, I come on here, I analyze the market because a bunch of you were like, "Oh, no, where is your analysis group or anything or signals?" I don't do neither of those. I don't send signals. I don't send setups. What I can do is I can start a YouTube channel like this and post these analysis videos. I think this would be more helpful. Well, what you do is we come on here. I give you what I think is going to happen throughout the week, how I think the week is going to play out, and I think I'll be sending updates throughout the week on either Twitter or Telegram. I think I can do both. So let's start off with the financial calendar. As we can see, let me run a filter through this. We took off these, and we took off these. We're only left with a red folder news. So if we apply the filter, okay. So on Monday we don't have any serious news. On Tuesday we've got the CAD CPI. Watch out for that if you're trading the CAD. On Wednesday, with a lot of NZD and GBP news. Just the FOMC meeting minutes on the dollar. These are not that volatile, as far as I'm concerned. All right, so on Thursday, we've got a lot of Euro news, Euro USD. We've got the flash manufacturing PMI. Okay, all right, okay. So we should just watch out for these days. It's good to go through your trading knowing exactly what's happening on the fundamental side of things. As I stand, I don't think fundamentals are that important. If your technicals are solid, you just need the fundamentals to see what's happening where, what's going where. You don't need to be oblivious to what's happening in the fundamental world. Just to have knowledge of what's happening. So we go back to the actual chart. We're looking at the dollar index, the DXY on TradingView. This is the monthly time frame. The first thing that you need to do, or the first thing that you should do, is do a top-down analysis like this. So what do you see? What are you looking at? What are you looking for? Well, you need your structural highs and lows. What do I mean by that? Well, you've got this high, you've got this high, you've got this low, and you have this low. These are your most recent. Well, recent is relative because these were like months or even years ago. So they're still important because on the monthly time frames, these are the most recent highs. So as you can see, you look at where we are pushing. Because these highs draw price. So where is price most likely to be drawn to? Well, if you do look at it and you know what you're doing, you can say, all right, so this high and this low. This is the range that you should be dealing with. This is the range that you're actually dealing with. This is your current dealing range. Yeah. So you're looking at this high and this low. What do you do with it? Well, this is the monthly time frame. You just look at it and you go down to a lower time frame. So in this case, we would be going down from the weekly down to the just to get this out of the way. I am Zimbabwean. English is not my primary language. I'm trying my level best. English is not my primary language. But let's go. So on the weekly time frame, we're looking at this and this. These are the highs and lows that we took from the monthly time frame. We just came with them down to the weekly. Now, what do you see? You see that we once pushed for this high, we didn't take it out. We just came, and now we are rejecting off of this low. This is a weekly low. This is a swing low. We're sort of rejecting, but the new week, we don't know how it's going to play out. We don't know what's going to happen. But what we can see is that we have this high, this swing high, off of the weekly time frame, and you can denote this swing low. Yeah? We're good. All right. We go down to the daily. This is where most of the trading happens. This is where most of the analysis happens, because I'm not a position trader. I don't know what type of trader you are, but I mostly take trades. I think if I hold a trade for too long, it's gonna be for a week. I usually trade intraday, but right now, what we can see on the daily time frame is that we had this imbalance over here. Last week, price went through it, went about 50% of it, and then came crashing down. So what I expect the dollar to be doing this week, I think this low is going to be the first one to go. Yeah. This low is going to get taken out way before this high gets taken out. So let's just wait and see what happens. But I don't think that price is going to go up here first. Price is mostly bearish right now. As far as order flow is concerned, we've got this huge move to the downside, a retracement, a huge move to the downside. So we can look for a retracement and then another huge move to the downside. But then again, last week on Friday, we had this move into this fair value gap, this imbalance, coming down to this. All right. So I'm hoping that you're watching this with somewhat of a knowledge base in ICT, smart money. I do not trade entirely off of ICT and smart money, but I have a strong background in that. Over the years, I saw, all right, this works, this doesn't. So I took some things from Wyckoff, some things from Elliott Wave, some things from the retail space, some things from ICT, and some things that I noticed on my own as I was going through the charts over the years. I was like, oh, so this works, this doesn't. I don't have a widely recognized name for those, but they're still things that work. So if you're smart enough, you pay heed. All right. So right now, like I said, we're looking at price going into this and then coming down. So tomorrow, this is a Sunday when I'm recording this. Tomorrow, we're gonna want to see some sort of an aggressive down move. If it doesn't do that, it's most likely to go up, set up for a down move, because this low right here, this looks like a liquidity low. So we'll see how price does that. I usually spend most of my time on the dollar index, like what I'm currently doing right now, because if you have a solid understanding of where the dollar is going, everything else with dollar in its name, every other pair with dollar in its name, in its quad, is simply going to be what you did on the dollar index. So if that pair, if it's on the euro dollar, like right now, you know that these are inversely correlated. What do I mean by that? If the dollar is going down, the euro is going up. Inverse. See? Good. So looking at the dollar, and then we have somewhat of an idea of what's going on. We should be moving over to the euro dollar. Now, this is the weekly on the euro dollar. Let's go to the monthly on the euro dollar and just denote our highs. This is the first episode. So whatever we have on here today is what we're going to be going off of going into the future. So today might be a bit of a longer episode because we're setting the best up. But as we move, we'll just be saying, all right, on the first episode, we said this. On this episode, we said this, just referencing those points and going. All right. So we've got this high, this low, and this low. This is on the monthly time frame, and this low way down here. All right. So we've set those up. We have no need to be drawing out this high over here and this high over here, saying, "Oh, price." No, no, no. This is the monthly time frame. These are very big price ranges. So we're looking at it like this. Price is a bit choppy, but it's still tradable, right? It's still tradable. So we've marked our highs and lows. We go down to the weekly. See, oh, okay. So we are looking at price going and taking this high over here, this weekly high, on the weekly. But then again, we've had quite a lot of bullish candles, so we might see a down week or two. But for now, we're looking at price being bullish. Okay, so we go down to the daily. Now this is where the magic happens. This is the time frame that I'm usually on. This is my primary time frame. All right, so if we look at this, we can see that this imbalance that we saw on the dollar was respected. Well, it's the same bloody thing, but it's fine. We can say that this was respected. On the daily, we can see that price had a down day. Now it's moving up. It should move up. We want to see this high get taken out. We want to see this high get taken out. It's most likely going to get taken out, and we are looking into putting on buys going into this, because if you come to the 4 hour, I was in gold, yeah, actually at a bullish trade. I think I put a screenshot of that or not, I don't know, but I caught this move up, and we are looking into price continuing upwards. We're looking into price continuing its move until this up until this high. This is our target right now. If you ask me, Snow, what's happening? This is the target right now. So you want price to come from this low up to here. All right. So on the euro dollar, we don't have much to say. If price is to go bearish, I'm pretty sure this low is going to hold, because that is our most recent, I think that is a daily point. Let me just double check. Yeah, that is our most recent daily swing low. So from this low up to, you know what? Now that I'm actually looking at it like this, we might see a retracement down to this level or something. But then we came down into here on Friday. I don't see a reason why price would want to come down and hit this low again. I just don't have a reason for that. Okay, so we are looking for buys. We are most likely looking for buys. If price decides to go lower, I'll be updating you. But right now, we're looking for price to go from here up until this range right here. That's 116 pips. Do with that what you may. That's 116 pips. All right, so the second pair that we're going to be looking at is GBP US dollar. Well, this was roughly the same as euro dollar, but yeah, let's look at it. So starting from the monthly, it's the same drill. We mark up the swing highs and the swing lows. Oh, we already had some stuff on here. Well, let me just do this. Move for the drawings. Okay, let's start off. So we have this, we have this, and we have this low and this high. Okay, we are good. No need to come down here and up here. Even though those are still significant highs and lows, there's a very big dealing range that will take years to cover, or just one major catastrophic event. You never know. You really never know. But for now, we're dealing with this choppy range. Going down to the weekly, same drill. we can see a very, very, very bullish candle, very strong bullish candle. It went to the downside for a bit, but this is telling the same story as euro dollar, just slightly different. But we are going for this high. We're going for this high. On the weekly, as we can see, we had this, we had this cluster of highs which were taken out by this candle right here. So this took that out, and price just went down, taking out these lows. So these lows got taken out, price went down here, it's coming back up. Now most people might start to think, oh, so this is an order block, now I'm going to be selling. You would not be wrong. I don't criticize trading methods, but this is most likely another liquidity grab. This is most likely a liquidity high. So if you do decide on shorting this, well, it's usually at the open. You decide to short this at the open, your stop loss up here. There is gonna be a very bumpy ride for you. It might go down. I don't know. But as far as I know, you're better off trading this higher. Well, just read price. Just read what price is telling you. Because right now we have very, 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 very bullish momentum. So we are looking at price going from around here up to here. Now, like I said, price might choose to say, okay, this range from like here to here is too bullish. We need to fill in that price. We need to balance in the price, and it comes down. That's still a possibility. But for now, it's going from here to here. It's not coming down here. So tomorrow the market is going to open. I'm going to be looking very, very, very keenly into this, seeing how it's moving, what story is being told. Because right now we just took this high. There might be a reason to come down here, form some sort of structure, go up there. This is a very gross oversimplification of my strategy. I'm trying to make it not that much of a foreign concept, so I'm going to be using very, very, very loose terminology so that you understand. If you guys want a proper breakdown of the strategy, I'll be more than happy to help you out for free. For free. I'm not charging you anything. So you just talk to me and I'll put it out there. All right, so now let's go on to gold, XAU USD. This one's been fun. This one has been fun. Right now we are at all-time highs. Right now we are having fun. Gold is going for the moon. Gold is flying right now. This is the monthly time frame. Look at this. Just look at this. I could have read a buy trade on Friday. I ate. So we just come here and where do you even start? Well, okay. So you mark up this high. This is a high that is going to be taken very, 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 very soon. And where is your low to go with it? Well, it's here. This is where this trading range started taking out these highs over here. So we took out these highs, and then price just went up. We've got this imbalance, but then this is a monthly imbalance. I usually don't like marking up imbalances on the monthly, but now we're on the weekly, and you see price went up, made an all-time high, came back down. This is the retracement, and now it's going back up again. It's pushing back up again. So last week was a very big push to the upside, most likely going for this high. This high is as good as gone. There's no double top, no nothing. This high is gone. Look at it. That's meat. It's gone. Oh, sorry if you're a vegan. But that's meat. It's gone. It's gone. So right now we're just looking into prices going higher. We have this low. We need to mark this up. Why I'm marking up these highs and lows? Because that is what attracts price. I think I'm saying this. Highs, lows, these attract price. These are price points. So We've got this low, this high, this low. Most likely. The probability is not 100%, but it's up there. Price is gonna take this high. Let's go down to the daily time frame. Okay. So looking at this, it's not that different. It's not that different. Just price action in depth. So like I told you, I got a trade from like down here to up here on Friday. I caught the move. Wait, let me go down to the daily. Yeah, I got in around here, and I think I exited around here. All this at the price action, I wasn't in it, all this, but I got in around here, and yeah, that's that. So looking at the daily, we can see that okay, we've got this imbalance. It hasn't been tapped into, and we are most likely gonna create another imbalance starting from this into some way as price is going up here. So we're not going to mark that up. There is no second reference point for the imbalance. But we had this one going into this, which price just went there, left this low. Okay. A straightforward price action. But now this is the target. So price might just take this down, retrace, and then go up. But as we can see, the price is not just gonna take this and just chill around here. No, it's going up. So that's gold. There's nothing to talk about here. Literally, it's just going up. It's inversely correlated to the dollar. We know what happens. The dollar goes down, gold goes to the moon. Okay. Okay, now we have this. This is Nasdaq. This is US 100. This right here, this is blown accounts. This blows accounts on a daily basis. This is a very dangerous game to play, but I like it. It's volatile. Very, 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 very volatile. So if you like volatility, gold is your best bet. US 100 is your best bet. But what are we looking at here? Okay. Well, sorry for starting on the daily. On the monthly, we can see that we have this low, which was created last month. We just made a high. We're not gonna mark that up. We have got this low, and then those are the most significant lows. As we can see, we're in an uptrend. So this US 100 is inversely correlated to the dollar. So the dollar goes down, this goes up. So as we can see, it's moving up. It's moving up. We go down to the weekly. The weekly is telling a similar story. We are going up. We just took this low. So we are most likely gonna retrace and then continue going up. Down to the daily. Wow. Oh. If we do refine this a bit better, we are looking at a high that has been taken. This high has already been taken, and price on Friday retraced back into this fair value gap, this imbalance, and is just chilling just above it, at the high of it. That's where it is. We're looking at a similar story here. We're looking at higher prices, most likely gonna start by going down here to do something and go up, or just shoot up, because we've already tapped into this. There is no need to come down and take this low. Daily bias just tells us that this was a very, 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 very illiquid day. In fact, let's actually look this on the 2-hour time frame. Yeah, Friday did not have that much movement. Unlike God, this did not move at all. This was stuck there. But I don't see why we would need to come down here and take this low. It's a possibility, But these highs here are most likely the first target. These are gonna go first. So these highs here, or these are gone. But we might still see prices come here, check this out before going further up. It's most likely that price is gonna try and take this out first before coming down. So it takes this out, or maybe this, but these are gonna go, and it's gonna come down and do something. So we are looking at bullish price action again on this. All right, so for today, I think we are done. So what I'm gonna do is as we are going through this, as we get more developed, as the production quality gets better. This is my first video of this type, this caliber. As of production quality gets better, we will be refining this, saying okay, we only look at this, we're going to create a watch list. So you guys definitely tell me in the comment section what you need to see. We create a watch list, and we will be looking at that list, giving weekly outlooks on that. I think I might put a poll in the Telegram channel, links below in the description, and you guys vote on what you want to see. We create our own community on here, and yeah, we should be good. So if you liked this, whatever this was, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you later. Thank you.